This video is quite simply called Being Teased by Rain Clouds, presenting the case in point. It's been raining in other parts of the city like since yesterday, and like good rain, not just a stupid drain pipe drizzle, but like good proper monsoon rain. And this is what it is in my situation. Hello, can you please head on over here and rain a little, please? Head on over. Wow, let's ignore I just did that. Head on over. Hello, 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 hello. Ganana 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 काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ टिंग टिडिंग टिंग टिडिंग टिंग. I don't even know if the tidding ting is there in the song, but I added it. काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ फूलों के रंग ननाओ. उसके बाद तो ट्यून भी नहीं आता. On the other hand, slight disclaimer, which I shall show my face in. Disclaimer. I am worried about how bad the situation of COVID could become if it started raining in the city, because my city is one of the worst hit. So I know it's a very privileged, massively privileged thing to want it to rain, because I'm sitting here in my 16th floor flat, which I probably shouldn't like disclose on the internet. But anyway, I'm sitting on up here and in a completely sanitized, safe environment, and there are people out there who are not having the same sort of privilege. So I'm worried, but I also miss the monsoon. I'm hoping for the best.